Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with the pre-market analysis. Let's start with the US market. Yesterday, the Dow Jones gave a fantastic rally close to 400 points positive. Nasdaq closed at 50 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 20 points positive. At the time of recording, the US 30 is trading flat close to 25 points negative. Let's talk about FII and DI data. Yesterday, the foreign institutions sold close to 3,000 crores and domestic institutions bought close to 4,700 crores. Now, at the time of recording, the Asian markets are mostly trading positive ahead of Fed rate decisions. Now, SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of close to 41 points. Let's see where the pre-market opens. Now, another major thing is rupee versus USD. Now the rupee is at all-time low, close to $90, 90 rupees for $1. So rupee is now at record low. That is why the mostly yesterday what you saw in move in Nifty, the downward move was the main reason was this, the rupee fall, and it was obvious that the foreign institutions will sell. I think I discussed this in one of my pre-market video that when rupee jump, the foreign institution starts exiting their positions and start selling their shares because it's very costlier for them to buy into equity and then convert into dollars. Very much loss, plus they have to pay taxes, right? It's very loss for them. That is why when rupee hit lower floor, mostly the FII start exiting. But the local market and retail investors are kept on buying, and this is very obvious that there will be a day where we don't even need foreign institutions. Our market and retail traders and retail investors are enough to support our market. There will be a day. I am very much confident in this. So now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels. If you remembered, watch previous two pre-market video, I gave you one trade. I gave you that if Nifty futures will start trading below 26,260, even if a candle will close below 26,260, go short in the market and keep the target of 26,000 and keep the stop loss of day high. Now yesterday, in just two trading sessions, we saw a 260 points move, and I was absolutely correct in this trade. Now write me down in the comment section if you made money through this trade or not. I gave you publicly, I gave you pre-market that this will happen, not even after market, not even during market. I gave you pre-market, right? So yes, yesterday Nifty made a low close to 26,070, 26,080. It closed at 26,136. Now the support is obviously at 26,000 and resistance is 26,200. Now 26,000 is a very good level to enter in this market longs, but looking at the rupee, and the second main factor is the US-India trade deal. We don't see any progress going in. We don't see any positive news coming in. That is why these are the main two reasons. The first reason is the rupee that is falling, and the second reason is there is no positive news that is coming from neither from America or from India about the trade deal. So these are the two reasons why the Indian market is falling, and it will continue to fall. But this is a very attractive level. 26,000 is a very good level to enter in this market. But let's see how things will perform. If you are a very risky trader, you can go long at 26,000, keep the stop loss of 25,800, but this is only for the risky traders. I will be taking positions and I'll keep the stop loss 25,800. So 26,000 is a very good level to enter and go long in this market, but this is only for the risky traders. Now Bank Nifty closing 59,739. Support is 59,500 and resistance is 60,000. So on 5th of December, tomorrow the RBI interest rate decisions will be there. So for a safe and medium traders, if you are looking to enter in this market, wait till 5th. After 5th, we'll take the decisions, how things will go. So thank you for watching. I hope you would have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next pre-market video. Bye-bye.